Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll down in order to find the display. Now let's scroll down again and find the control center and notification shade, and here we have to again scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see here we've got the battery indicator, so let's tap on it and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now obviously we've got only the battery indicator applied, we've got only the battery icon, but we can set the percentage inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon. So after tapping on this option you can see that the percentage appears inside, and here we've got it right next to the battery icon. So from now on we can check the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery indicator, how to show battery percentage in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.